let's get into Ads Manager. Let's set up our Facebook ads. Right now, we're going to discuss what is the difference between a lead gen ad and a sales ad, engagement. There's so many types of ads. Let's start. When you go to your CRM, underneath marketing, and then Ads Manager, click here. We're going to click on Meta. You could do Google and LinkedIn as well. Let's just do Meta. And we're going to start from scratch. Here we go. So remember, when you create an ads campaign, there's different objectives. There is lead generation, which is forms. There's the website traffic campaign going to a website. There's engagement. You want somebody to comment below the word roof, the word Lola, whatever the case is. Or you want sales to get a cost per, you're selling a course, you're selling a video, you're selling a membership, at sales. Everyone has a particular purpose. For this purpose example, I'm going to show you how to go after roofing clients. Roofing clients is anybody who wants to do roof repair or replacement. Now, we're going to skip over its special category. It's just like if you do real estate, if you do something that's categorized, for housing, employment, this is just to go after roofing. Now, I'm going to do this really, really quick, where we're going to set up, I'm going to call this campaign name, roofing clients who sell repair and replacement on the roofs. In the United States, is the roofs, right? So remember, a roof repair replacement, it costs about $10,000 to $30,000 to get your roof repaired, replaced. All right. So let's do this. What I like to do is control where my ads are going to be seen, because I know where it makes the most money. Right here, it's going to be the feed. When you scroll down, that's where the most of my money gets into. If you have any comments, questions, comment below. Any questions? The reason why I'm doing these things, I want my money to be in one particular place. And you can spend as low as $1. For me, I'm going to spend $5. Okay. I'm going to go the whole United States, and I'm going to go after a roofer, right? So you could go roofing, roofer. So roofing, okay, a roofing contractor. Here we go. These are the demographics of the person. Now, typically a person is around 25, I would say to 55. We want to go after that range. They're not retired. All right, so we're going to keep it broad. You could go after males or females, whichever you want to. But Facebook will split your money into two. And let's get into the next one. Now we have the interest targeting. This is who we're going after. Interest targeting. If I'm going too quick, I'm sorry, ask questions. So I'll make separate videos based on your questions. Ask below. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is create an ad. I know what particular ad works, so I'm just going to go, like say remodel or roof repairs. Okay. I'm just going to add an example here because it's been 3 minutes already. I'm just going to put in here, do you want more roofing repair jobs? Or you're looking to replace, looking for roof replacements? Get more roofing jobs today. All right, I'm gonna just add in any type of image just for now as this example. This is not what I'm gonna put in the ad. I have a particular ad for that. And the most important thing before we launch, get 5 to 10 new home owners per week. Okay, get more information so you can see how the ad is actually coming to life in the feed, the reels. Right now, I'm just going to go after the feed. And then the most important thing is how it looks. So this is for a roof repair and replacement. And let's go after, this is going to be, let's go to type. So it's going to get more volume. Use a form that is quick fill. Yes. This one you can have like higher quality, but it's going to have more. I just prefer more volume. And then here I'm just going to have a short description. Want more roof repair jobs. I like to have it bullet points like don't share your customers with others. So roofers typically buy their contractors and they have to share with a lot of people. So you're going after the pain points. Roof repair jobs near you. Get paid for roof replacement. So I'm going after all the needs that they want to hear. Is like, yes, you want to hear, you want to get more jobs near you. Get paid for roof replacement jobs. Send out daily estimates. They like to go into okay. What I'm gonna do here is actually bring this all the way down. I'll say get more higher, get more contracts today. Okay. All right. I'm gonna ask the name, the email address, and phone number. Replacements. Okay. This is gonna match up. This is gonna match up. I'll add in this later on. I just want to show you this as an example. You can send them to call your business, which is good. But sometimes a person is not available to call right away. Or you can have them visit your website. Download our free brochure. Now, what this allows them to do is click this and then see more information about, they submitted your information, they want to get more value, more case studies, more portfolio. They getting more information about your business. Get local roofing jobs today. I'll say click the blue button below. Okay. All right, and then the website will be there. Hopefully it allows me to save. No, because I need to put the policy in there. 1 second, let me just grab the policy. All right, we're back. I added a policy in there, and I'm just gonna add in here my calendar link. So let's add the calendar link. All right, so I have the calendar link in there. So it's gonna be get local roofing jobs today. Just feels good, right? You know, if I'm want more roof repair. And a lot of roofers, they want replacements. They don't want to hear just all right, there we go. All right, so let me know if that helped you out to learn how does the process go, right? Going after the roofers who want more roof repair and replacement. I'm here to tell them, yes, we're going to get you more jobs for your business. And I'm going to switch around this image because it's just, they don't want to see that. They want to see their actual jobs in there. And then as soon as you click that, you press publish, and that's it. You created your first Facebook ad. All right, any questions, comments, let me know below, and look forward to creating more videos for you guys. All right, see you guys then. Bye.